This is Shark once again, doing a video on Lanka Indian Oil Company. Yes, we know that there is a price cut of 7 rupees, okay, for petrol as well as diesel, and 5 rupees for kerosene. This was corrected by one of our forum members. So the news I got through Sirasa, so it's confirmed. So now we're looking for some kind of opportunities to trade Lanka Indian Oil Company come Monday. Okay, now there are few things we need to understand. Okay, now whoever holding Lanka Indian Oil Company, okay, need not worry about it. Okay, if you are looking at a long-term view on this share, you need not worry. Now, for those who are short-term swing traders, there is an opportunity. Now, the idea is we should not rush into a particular trade. Okay, this is where harmonic price pattern can help us identify or detect the reversal zones. Okay, now I have drawn up here something, and I'm expecting this to break 53. I may be wrong fully, or maybe it might only be 55. We don't know. Okay, when the panic sets in, so you don't know exactly where the market will move. Now this is the second price cut. I think it's almost like closer to a month. Okay, now if you remember, the Central Bank of Sri Lanka was saying that they should not go for a government should not go for a full cut, but it has happened. Okay, this is how Sri Lankan politics work. We have an election, a presidential elections, and there's so much to lose for the president. So they're giving various reductions. So we need to be very careful when we're trading Indian Oil Company. So the idea is that this is the second price cut, and I hope that definitely there will be another price cut. Okay, there will be another price cut closer to the election. It could be the last week of December, okay, or midnight 31st, we will get another news. So for another price cut. Now, so we need to have these two scenarios as well when we are trading. Okay, now what are the targets that we can buy on Monday? Okay, a safe entry would be around 50, around here. Okay, that would be a safe entry with a very strong support around 45. Okay, so this is the 161 on the Fibonacci. Okay, so this is highly possible reversal zone, and not discounting 127.2 as well. So I'm looking for I know it's a huge gap here. Okay, now it's always better to wait until the price settles. Okay, so the quarterly report did not reflect, the last quarterly report did not reflect, or it was not how we expected LIOC to perform, or the Indian Oil Company to perform. Okay, so for me the last quarterly report was sort of less than expected kind of earnings for me, because we did not see the reflection of the falling of the petrol prices in the world market, okay, the oil markets. Now there is an opportunity to buy around 54, a very small quantity, okay, just a minute quantity you can buy, very small, okay, possible reversal here, okay. Now once you do, and if the price starts falling down, okay, we could buy a slightly higher quantity in order to average it. Let's say here you bought about, say, 5,000, okay, you can buy, say, like another 10,000 odd, around 50 to average it, and you have a big load you can bring in around here. Now I don't think so this area it would come, but you cannot discount anything in the market, so best place to catch would be around 54 or 53.50 or 50, around 53.50, okay. And the next level to catch would be again here, 50 to 48, okay. So these are the zones. So let me highlight this for you. Okay, this is one of the areas to catch, and this is another. This is another area to catch, okay. So this is how I look at it, okay. So if you are a very small retailer, have about 1,000, 2,500 quantity, buy around 50, 53.50, okay. And long term probably the price will not start moving up, okay. So it's another opportunity. Of course there's an opportunity around 55.50, which is on the 88, but looking at this huge red candle, I feel more to come, so I am expecting at least here. So if this holds up, so we will be on our way to a good appreciation. So at least towards here would be our 60 would be our support, or the resistance, sorry, okay. So you are seeing here a pattern of harmonic, okay. Now the price has already done in advance fallen, okay. So we could see easily 55 breaking, and probably around 54.50, and if it starts moving up, then we can forget about this, okay. Now long term, like I said, if the market feels that there will be another thing coming, once the reversal takes place, there will be an opportunity towards 60 for a short-term trade. And should we see another thing in about 2 weeks time, okay, so we are into a good opportunity to collect more. I think this is what we as traders or as investors would want, volatile market, more liquidity on a share, so that we this would be quite profitable for swing traders, short-term traders as well. So that's the roundup on Lanka Indian Oil Company. I have here another chart which you are seeing here. I drew up here. This pattern is slightly different when you look at it. You see the BC leg, okay, it's fallen below the A level, okay. This is the A leg, so you see a breach. This breach should not exceed more than 1.618, okay. So this is it, and this pattern should complete the final leg towards D. From C to D is 88.6 minimum, but it can even go up further here, okay. So this can extend towards 70 something, yeah, closer to 70. So this is how it looks. So there is good opportunity for us to buy, like we said, okay. And this pattern is called as a shark pattern, okay. Now depending on which side we are trying to trade. Now if you are trading on a harmonic price pattern, this is the reversal zone, 88.6, but we are expecting here, we are getting short-term reversal targets for traders, so that, you know, we are expecting the movement towards D, okay, which is slightly dangerous. But the correct way of trading harmonic price pattern, as we all know, is to wait until the position D. So this D could be here, okay, or it could be at the 113. Let me see whether I can move up. Yes, here it is. Yes, so now you see here, which is 1.113, okay. So we're looking around 70 or closer to 70, so we will be shorting from here, okay. So this is called a bearish shark pattern, okay, because we wait all the way until here and then we do a shorting. So this is called a bearish shark pattern, okay. So that's about it. So we looked at from two different perspectives, okay, two different charting softwares. So that's the opportunity. So let's wait till Monday, see how the price will start declining, and then we set our buy levels, probably 2 or 3 buy levels if the panic is more volatile, and let's get into LIOC, okay. So that's it from me. This is Shark signing off.